Are you ready to make money online? Stay tuned because in today's video, you can earn money by listening and uploading music. You've heard that right. And we will show you how you can effortlessly set this up so that by the end of this video, you'll essentially be a pro and on the way to financial independence. We know that videos involving several websites may be complicated and confusing, but stay with us because this video is especially for beginners who have never made money online. Follow all of the instructions in this video and you will be successful in no time. Before we go further into this video, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. We will show you how to make money quickly in a few moments by presenting the best and most effective platforms. So if you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. With this new video, keep in mind that we release new content about making money online daily. So make sure you stay tuned whenever we release new content so you can be the first to try it out. First, you need to go to Mixkit.com. It is a website for finding free resources that anyone can use for their projects. However, we are not here to create projects. Instead, we will use this website to listen to and profit from these tracks. With this method, you can earn real money ranging from $5 up to $30 per song. You can explore Mixkit and discover all the music tracks you can use to earn money on this website. There are hundreds, even thousands of free songs on this website, and all of these can be used without attribution. You don't even need to sign up for Mixkit. Next up, scroll to the topmost part of the page and select music. Then hover your cursor over genre. From there, you can see the music genres that are on this website. You can now open any of these, for example, hip-hop or the acoustic category, and discover the extensive collection of acoustic and hip-hop tracks, all downloadable for free. After you've accessed your selected genre, you can now scroll down to choose any of these songs. Click the play button to listen to it. However, you don't have to listen to the whole track. The following step you'll need to do is download this music by clicking the download button directly below the play button. When a download is complete, redo this process with another song, and download as many tracks as you can. More songs mean you'll have more earnings. We'll first introduce you to a new website for the next step. Upload-forever.com is a site that pays you for uploading files like music and images. Thus, you will upload the soundtracks that you've downloaded from Mixkit earlier. Now you will earn every time someone downloads your track from Up4Ever. This is an extremely easy process that helps you to make cash online. Up4Ever.org has a 4-tier payment structure. This means that it categorizes the amount you earn based on the location of most of the downloads of your music. To further illustrate, Canada and the United States are in Tier 1, Australia is in Tier 2, the United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia are in Tier 3, while the rest of the world is in Tier 4. Downloads that come from Tier 4 countries will give you at least $4, Tier 3 and Tier 2 will make $5, while Tier 1 countries should earn you $8. There are 5 ways to make revenue in Up4Ever. This includes pay per download, pay for referrals, and of course, selling your files online. It is also good to mention that they present you with more than 20 different payment options. This is to ensure that you'll receive your payments wherever you are. It is consistent of the most used electronic banks even for local countries. They have PayPal, Payoneer, Payer, WebMoney, Bitcoin, Cash Plus, Western Union, and a lot more. The minimum payout amount is also very cheap at around $1. This means you can withdraw your hard-earned money as soon as you make $1. Do you like this video? Don't be shy and hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you find this video helpful and entertaining, share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Returning to the video, we'll show you how to complete the sign-up process for Upload-forever.com. It is also very simple and would not take a minute to accomplish, just like on any website. Type a username, password, and email address, complete the CAPTCHA, and finally click the sign up button. You can also sign in using your Google, Facebook, or Twitter account. Once done, you can now log in and you'll be directed to your dashboard. Next, we'll show you how to set up your account and earn from it effortlessly. But before that, make sure you have gone to the payment details and accomplished the payment options that fit you the best, and then click on Save. After that, look at the left sidebar and select Upload Files. You can now begin uploading music files on this page. However, ensure that you have read the warnings at the top. To avoid getting your account banned, do not upload files that may violate the terms of service. Also, make sure that your ad blocker is off so the upload process will not be interfered with. To start uploading your files, click this button that says Choose File. If the upload is finished, you'll see it right there. A tip from us to you, click Public so people will be able to access the track. And remember to fill in the name of the track and the artist. You can do this by going to Mixkit.com. copying the song's name and the artist's name, and pasting it back to Up Forever. If you have managed that part, start the upload. Depending on your internet speed, you will need to wait for a few seconds. The final step is to set a price for your music track. This makes way for you to earn at least $4 every time someone downloads that file. Repeat this as much as you want, and you'll earn from this for a while if you have set it up correctly. That's all for now. Feel free to watch this video again to serve as your guide as you start to earn money online. What do you think about these websites? Does it seem like an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace primary income jobs in the future? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you love similar concepts like this, make sure to take a look at our other videos. If you like it, please hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to keep yourself updated. We'll see you in the next video.